when you're cutting a hole in the lap tray, you don't want to hold the child up by the edge of the lap tray, so you're going to give yourself or give the child about a 1/2 inch on both sides, wider than the child, him or herself. So back here, this distance should be 1 inch wider than the child. You want to give the child 1 inch in the front since they want to lean back forward and come back. So you are going to, if the child in the seat is, say, 9 inches from the back of the seat to their tummy or chest, you're going to make it 10 inches. So you're going to add 1 inch to the child's depth when they're sitting against the back of the seat and 1 inch to their width. Rather than cutting out, I'm going to try this up. Rather than cutting out an arc, it's really hard to cut curves and try. Well, you can do it, but it's time consuming. Better to take your measurements, measure a square, and then don't cut the whole square out. Lop off with a diagonal. So it's still pretty much of an arc, but you don't have to do all that work in cutting. This particular child benefited from an easel. One way to make an easel, first let's see how it looks. Okay, is simply to measure how deep the easel needs to be, how high it needs to be, and then add a good portion for places of attachment. So basically, we have one big piece. We know this measurement, we know this measurement, and the 2 bottom pieces are, we need enough to keep it attached to the Velcro. The way we get it to fold is to notch out so that it bends. And you're going to have another little video on notching. So that's how we do an easel.